Pretty great.
The recycling center.
I don't know.
What's up, guys? Road dogs barking again. Chase and I are on our way to University of Cumberland's for their career and opportunities fair. We're maybe gonna go hand out some opportunities. I don't know exactly. Chase is the guy. But we're on the way there now, and we will let you know when we get there. There she is. Chase just set up our booth. Little Holler action. Be on the sign. Not a huge fan of that, but it's cool. We did what we had to do. Yeah, we're out here. Wheeler, he's the man. He put on this whole thing. Shout out UC Career Services. You want to say anything?
Yeah, I appreciate the Holler for coming out, and we're really happy to have him, and just excited to see how we can collaborate with you guys in the future. So, yeah, it's been great. Thank you, guys.
And Savannah Frost for getting it done, putting all this on. What a legend. All right, we're back and we're rolling. Chase, right here. He's on his feet now. He's ready to get after it.
I'm feeling bright.
Chase has, shout out Bright.
Right. Wrong pick. There you go.
Chase has the best seat in the house. He looks here, boom, me. He looks there, boom, me. Boom, boom. We are filling up the list for potential interns. All right, we're grubbing down on some lunch. Shout out to Cumberland's Career Services for providing this for us. Alicia, Chase's wife, would be very proud of him. Look at all these vegetables.
Broccoli.
She's a dietitian, not a nutritionist. Nutritionists aren't real. That's what I heard. So yeah, free lunch. This man right here is the originator of the Holler call, so we're gonna have him do it on camera real quick.
The Holler! Holler!
Holler.
Holler!
A holler.
The Holler!
The Holler. I freaking love the Holler. You can't say like you. Huh?
All right, we just left the Career and Opportunities Fair. It was pretty fun. It made me feel young again.
We passed out both careers and opportunities.
Yeah, so if you didn't get a career or opportunity, sorry, you missed out. Yeah, it was fun. We talked to a lot of cool people, and Chase is gonna do some operations and hit him up later, I guess. I don't know. I was just there to smile and wave. We'll see you soon.
Good morning, Holler vlog. So today, the video production manager, the only tool that I really use, I've broken. So SD cards, they look like this. Look like this right here. Beautiful, yes. There's a little slot on the side of this computer, and it's right next to a big slot on the side of this computer. And I just so happened to put it in the wrong one.
SD card.
So now we're performing
CD slot. She slid it in
a
the
rhinoplasty.
CD slot.
A
And
rhinoplasty.
A rhinoplasty.
Chase stuck a knife in it.
I tried to fix it.
He tried to fix it.
Natalie.
Yeah.
What happened when Chase tried to fix it?
Chase came in, he had like a machete. He stuck it in the computer. He was like, no, wait, stop,
To be
wait.
clear, he stuck it in this spot,
Straight through the screen.
thinking that he could get the SD card out. But then what happened?
It didn't. It pushed it further in, and then we can't even find it anymore, so.
So now we're doing surgery on our Mac.
Me knowing this is all my fault.
That guy. That boy. And then it's
The
definitely
fan is this computer's biggest fan.
that guy over there. One love. Like a minor panic attack. You lost a tooth last night?
It broke.
Darling,
And James?
We're taking this cardboard to the recycling center because we are stewards of the earth, baby.
We're gonna cross the road after this car. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! your first time recycling?
It's my first time going to a center for it, I think. We've turned open a new leaf.
Is that what it is? That's how the phrase goes in Florida, huh?
I know you do. Send me. I know you do.
Hi. We're just hanging a sign for the Grace Health Veterans Classic here in Leslie County. And it's going pretty great, if I do say so myself. You know, a lot of the stuff that we do takes a lot of thought, a lot of attention to detail. This, not at all. It's love moments like this. Hey buddy.